Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Mary Nenor, and today we have a special co-host joining me. Sabi ng past participant natin, may kamukha siyang anime. Is it Solo Leveling or Sakamoto Days? Please welcome from Pusuan episode 11, hey!
What's up, guys? What's up? Miss Marian, hello ulit. Welcome back to me.
Mga nakailang beses na welcome back.
Pangilang episode ko na ba? Pangalawa na ata. Pangatlo na.
May kamukha siyang anime. Anime naman. Sinong anime? Yung recently lang, sa Netflix.
Yung Solo Leveling.
Di ko natanda yung name. Basta may kamukha siyang anime.
Okay.
Kita ko siya.
Cute naman.
Oo.
Okay. So once and for all, bakit nga ba Solo Leveling yung nasabi mo?
Kasi yun yung yung bagong episode tsaka movie.
Okay.
Hindi ko naman alam na dahil sa double chin ko, magiging Sakamoto ko eh.
Kiniklaim ng mga tao na feeling mo daw kamukha mo talaga yung
Wala
taga-Solo
naman ako
Leveling.
sinabing main character. Sabi ko na yung mismong anime.
Ano namang comment mo sa mga nagsasabi ng Sakamoto Days?
Pwede na.
Pwede na. Pero anong message mo for our Pusuan viewers before we move on?
So, wag naman kayong masyadong harsh sa comment section.
Oh, yes.
Please keep watching na.
All right, without further ado, let's play
Pusuan or Laruan!
Tell us how the game works.
So here's the instruction. We have a line of here ng pogi at matitipon ng singles.
Woo! Woo, woo, woo!
So if ever na dumating yung sexy single natin, if type nyo siya, gusto nyo marinig yung mga sasabihin niya at feel nyo yung vibe niya, huwag nyo munang ipop yung balloon.
Yep.
Huwag kayong judger. So if ever naman na hindi nyo feel yung vibe, yung sagot niya, go ahead and pop the balloon.
Actually, we have a twist for this episode.
Today's sexy singles will be sporting Oxicure's Acne Clear Powder Mud on their faces as part of this special Pusuan or Laruan Blind Date Edition episode. By the end of each round, our sexy singles will reveal their faces and their glow-ups. Thanks to Oxicure's fast-acting formula that dries out acne, visibly fades post-acne marks, controls excess oil, and nourishes the skin, they'll be one step closer to finding their perfect Pusuan match. So, good luck, singles!
Good luck, good luck, good luck.
All right, so without further ado, let's play the blind date edition of Pusuan or
Laruan!
Woo! All right, here comes our first sexy single. Hi, please join us over here. Hello.
Hello po.
Hello.
So, what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, so my name is Dean. I'm already 27 years old.
Okay, and what do you do for a living? Or anong job mo?
Yeah, so I'm working with government, Department of Tourism.
Okay, gusto mo ba mag-shoutout sa kanila?
So, shout out po pala sa mga kawork ko sa tourism.
You know?
Ano namang mga hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Right now po, kasi we're handling the golf tourism, so I also played golf.
Ooh.
Then, aside from that po, I also play basketball way before.
Okay, so ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Like mga personality traits or physical traits?
As a single tita, yung hanap ko is a single tito.
Single tito.
Single tito pala ang hanap.
Pero ito yata. Biglang si Aaron.
Pero sa red flag, ano naman ang gusto mo?
Sa red flag, colorblind po kasi ako like Taylor Swift, so I cannot find the red flag until I will be dating the guy.
So wala ka pang in mind hanggat
Wala
hindi pa nakikilala?
Like, yes, I was single for 7 years, so wala pa akong idea.
Kahit yung ma-off ka lang? Kahit yung isang pagkatingin mo off ka na?
Oo.
Off
Ganun lang.
agad. Hindi, I always give chance
Okay.
kasi.
Wow. Okay yan, hindi siya judger.
Hindi siya judger.
Diba? Okay.
Tandaan yan, hindi siya judger.
May pinaparinggan. Okay, so right now, wala pang nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop, just based on what you're seeing right now.
So baby face or...
Okay, and one more.
Medyo suspense, ah. Sige, Carmen. Ayan.
Okay, let's go over here.
Hi, I'm Jen. I'm 28 years old at isa akong software engineer.
Okay, so bakit siya yung napili mong i-pop?
Mukha siyang bata. I thought he's just in 21 or 22 years old. Sorry. Yeah.
May response ka ba doon?
sorry.
I'm sorry?
May response ka ba doon?
Gets ko naman yun kasi ang sabi niya nga hanap niya mukhang, hindi naman mukhang tito, pero tito vibes gano'n. So,
Pero-
yun.
Yan, upon hearing yung age niya, na hindi naman pala siya bata. Kahit mukha lang.
Sayang, may chance.
Wala.
Pero,
No, it's not working.
Akala ko pa naman okay yung pagkakaroon ng baby face, di ba? I guess this
Yung
time,
mga-
Tito Vibes ang hinahanap. Usually, nagpa-pop sila pag Tito Vibes. Ikaw naman, hanap mo Tito Vibes.
Yes.
Tito Vibes na yun. Ano ba yung Tito Vibes na yun? Bigotilyo?
Yung mga dad
Ano ba?
bod.
Dad bod. Dad
Ano
bod
yun?
naman siya.
Nag-ahit pa naman ako kagabi.
Ayun.
Dapat pala hindi.
Sayang.
Mali pala. O, huwag na mag-shave next time na sasali dito, ha? Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung hindi ka niya pinap?
50-50 siguro. Kasi hindi naman ako judger pagdating sa itsura, but I think mas matured siyang mag-isip compared sa akin. Parang ganun. Yeah.
Meron ka bang response doon?
Wala.
Alright.
I'm Kyle, 30 years old, full-time streamer.
Okay, so bakit siya yung pinili mong i-pop?
Kamukha niya yung ex ko.
Kamukha yung ex?
Ayaw bumalik sa ex.
Feeling ko magre-relax ako pag siya yung pinili.
Ayaw bumalik sa ex.
May response ka ba doon?
Malas.
Malas.
Pero ibig sabihin, type mo siya. Kung naging ex, yung ex mo, ganito yung itsura.
Siguro po I growed.
Okay. So ngayon hindi na.
May trauma.
Oo, may trauma na
May
sa
trauma siya eh.
ganitong
Trauma.
Kaya pala, ang tagal mapop kanina.
Yes.
Oo nga eh. Parang
Yung pala yun.
second chance.
Oo. Sayang.
Okay, pero kung hindi ka niya pinap, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes, she's beautiful.
Ah, thank you.
May mas pa yan, ha?
Oo nga
mas pa
eh.
yan.
Even with the mask, kitang-kita.
Lobo.
Pinalik. Ano, sure ka na ba? Or gusto mo pa ba? Okay na. Okay. Alright, well, thank you so much. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left.
6
So
balloons.
ngayon naman, magtanong ka ng isang question to help you narrow down your options.
Saan yung magiging first date natin if ever?
Okay, first date ideas. Alright. Okay, so let's start over here.
Joselito Mabilang. Joselito, 30. 30. Production staff.
Okay, and anong answer mo sa question niya?
First date siguro coffee for chill lang. Then talk, ganun. Ganun lang, simple lang, chill. Ganun.
My name is Lay, but you can call me Kuya Sitaw. Ayan.
Ayan,
Tama
feel
yung
na feel
kuya.
ko yung Tito vibe.
Opo, kasama po yun. I am 25 years old. Then, kung work ko pala is head chef ako sa Cafeteria de Sariaya sa Quezon. Then, kung dadalhin kita sa first date is, mahilig kasi ako mag-nature trip. Siguro, mag-hiking tayo, then mag-iilog, ganun. Mga ganun.
I'm Mark po, 32. I'm a banker po. I will ask her muna if may preference siya. But if I were to decide, katulad ni Kuya Sito kasi in nature kasi ako. So, something like hiking or beach trip, yung mga ganun, yung mga trip ko. Ayan po.
Hi, I'm Paul, 27, purchasing staff. Sa first date, total first date naman, kung ako yung magli-lead, mas maganda is yung something simpler, like a walk in the park. Doon tayo getting to know each other muna. And then, we can go to the mall kasi mahilig din ako mag-arcade. So, if game ka sa mga ganon, tsaka movie date. So, something simpler lang.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so papapiliin sana kita ng ipapop na balloon pero may mga nauna nag-pop earlier during your question. So, so balikan muna natin sila.
Hi, I'm Shin Mendoza. I'm a sales and marketing head and I have a startup.
Okay, so ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Just the vibe, really. But she's nice. She looks like kind-hearted naman. But generally, the vibes lang.
Anong vibe yung hindi mo nagustuhan?
She's like a little sister kasi.
Sayang.
Literal ba na little sister? Or
Ginawang
ganito ba yung
sister?
kapatid mo?
Hindi, I'm an only child. Pero yung vibe lang, parang I'm looking for something more. Yeah.
Feeling ko, ikaw pa naman yung Tito vibes.
Oo nga eh,
Tito
diba?
vibes na ano eh.
May sinabi ba siya na parang, ay parang little sister yung gantong, yung sinabi niyang comment na to?
Not really, but I think we're in a dating show. That's why I'm looking for a more profound questions. Yeah.
So based sa question.
Partly, siguro.
Ikaw.
How about you? May response ka ba doon?
Wala naman. Nakita ko rin siya bilang kuya ko.
Kuya lang, hindi tito
Kuya.
level.
Hindi tito.
So
Kuya.
kulang pa.
Kuya.
Okay. Pero type mo naman. So hindi mo siya type?
Pwede po.
Pwede. Pwede. Depende sa...
Opo. Kaya kasi yung tito vibes din naman siya. Tsaka mukhang mature din po siya kausap.
Okay. Sayang. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Yung isa pang nag-pop natin over here. Hi.
I'm Ian, Sales Manager and Health Advocate.
Okay. So bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Actually, hindi ko agad pinap nung una kasi nung first, I understand yung Department of Tourism, mataas ang tingin ko sa mga nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno. And I work also before in golf course and resort. So that's why tinignan ko pa kung ano yung mafe-feel ko nung second. Pero the reason why I pop, she's like my churchmate.
Churchmate naman. Lahat na lang. Little sister, churchmate.
And parang, there's no romantic but more on kapatid. Yun.
Asan yung parang brother, sister sa church, ganun.
Yeah. And she's nice. She's beautiful.
Thank you.
Pero no romantic vibes for you.
Mostly ba na lagi ka nasasabihin na sister or kapatid?
Ewan ko, they always told me that I look innocent daw.
Innocent?
Yeah, siguro kaya mas napagkaamalan na not totally matured pa when it comes to thinking.
Hindi nyo pa kasi nakikita yung face niya. Wala
yung face
pa
reveal
tayong
mamaya at the end of the round. Okay, pero ikaw ba? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Parang nakita ko rin po siya as kuya.
Kuya? Sa
If ever
church
din.
or outside church?
Pwede rin po sa church.
Okay. Okay.
So, thank you so
Well,
much.
thank you so much. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So right now, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop based on their answers earlier. Okay, and one more. Okay.
Bumigay.
Anong episode ba to? Okay, let's go over here. Okay, so bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Kasi po sabi niya magko-coffee date kami. May ulcer po ako. So, I cannot go for a coffee anymore. Yeah, so...
Paano kung may ibang drinks naman?
Yun nga
Kape.
Pwede naman mag-order ng ibang...
Tubig.
Oh, tubig lang daw.
Hindi po ako mahilig sa mga non-dairy drinks. Coffee po talaga sana yung trip ko.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
So, wala naman.
Pwede namang i-adjust yung date or talagang coffee date?
Pwede naman siguro, kung ano.
Saan?
Ano yun yung sinabi mo?
Plan B.
Pero kasi kung ano, kasi nga, yun nga yung mas naisip ko na first date. Kasi nga, getting to know, then chill lang. Hindi ako masyadong kasi kung preferred niya naman yung mga di pwede
Gusto
naman.
niya yung mga zipline. Doon kayo ng zipline.
Zipline agad.
Pero,
Oo nga, yun nga, di ba yan? Casual lang naman. Casual lang.
Pero sure ka na talaga doon? Set ka na?
Yes po.
Oh, pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes po. She's nice.
Thank you.
Ayun, at least di ka na sister.
Oo nga.
Pero I'm nice.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, and over
Next.
here. Hi. Okay. All right, we'll get back to you later. Okay, so bakit siya isa pa na pili mong i-pop?
Basta sabi niya, more on, adventurous siya, like trekking.
Okay.
I had a trauma na with the trekking before kasi, nahulog na ako sa, not totally nahulog, accident na ako sa bundok. So,
Sabi sa'yo,
I don't think
zipline,
trekking will
nakasali.
be available with
Huwag
me.
mo,
Yun, pero,
Okay, do you have any response to that?
Walang plan B na date.
Ang plan B na date ko kasi, skydiving kasi.
Oh, mas matindi
Ba't naman,
Skydiving,
talagang
skydiving.
nalalaglag ka na noon. Wala na siyang choice.
Hindi, pwede naman siguro, hindi pala. Adventurous talaga kasi ako eh. Mahilig din ako mag-rides, ganun. Kaya,
Hindi, may sinabi siya before, beach daw. Paano kung dagat?
yung dagat.
Oo.
Yun, dagat wala namang problema. Sana yun na lang sana sinagot mo.
Ano?
Sana yun na lang daw yung sinagot niya, beach daw.
Hindi, sinagot niya
Oh,
kanina.
sabi niya ito, or
It's either
diba?
nature or beach.
Ilog, beach, or kahit ano.
Hindi ko
Basta
na rin
nature
yun.
trip.
Oo.
Yun. Iitim naman kasi ako pag sa dagat. Sayang naman yung oxycare na nilagay sa akin.
Biglang plug ng mask.
Promote nga ni.
Okay, pero type mo naman sana siya.
Type ko naman po siya. Gawa ng height niya. Masyado siyang cute eh.
You know? Babalik na yan.
Final na to? Or gusto mo ba?
Sige po.
Lapit ka dito, ate.
Like, magbabalik ng balon.
Oo, or set ka na ba?
Pwede balon.
Okay na.
Okay na?
Okay na siya. Okay na
Well,
daw
thank you
siya.
so much.
Thank you.
Okay, and may narinig tayong
May isa
mag-pop
pa,
over
may isa pa.
here. Hi. So, ba't ka bigla nag-pop?
Kasi narinig ko doon sa sagot niya. Kasi recently, na-engage ako, parang tumatambay na rin ako sa coffee shops. And then, adding his answer, so ayaw niya rin ng nature trip. So, parang yung mga gusto ko, parang di kayo magtutuloy.
Wala ka ring plan B? Plan B na date?
So far kasi yun talaga yung ano ko eh. Walang...
meron na isa ulit.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
Wala din. Siguro
talagang hindi.
not gonna vibe.
Yung
din po
interests nyo
talaga.
kasi hindi nagmamatch.
Yes.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes.
You know?
Willing ka ba mag-adjust sa coffee shop and sa nature kung siya?
Oo.
Sa nature, wait, pwede.
Sa dagat.
Sa
Kahit na
dagat.
may ganyan ka ng ilagay sa mukha.
Pero final ka na doon.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, and may isa pa tayo nag-pop
May
over here.
humabol, may
Sunod-sunod. Okay, so ba't ka bigla nag-pop?
Actually, nakikita na ako kay ate, pero parang walang romantic ako na-feel. Parang sarap tropa lang si ate. So, yun lang naman po yun, nothing person.
Ganun din ba from your end?
Wala, type ko sana siya eh. Kaya lang pinatok niya yung logo.
Yun talaga,
Ayun naman pala eh. Final ka na ba sa decision mo na yan? Bakit?
Parang sister ko din siya sa church.
Yan naman tong sister. Sister sa church na naman. Ano ba church to?
Meron pa yung sister cousin naman. Cousin.
May
Cousin
pa
naman.
lang. May pa lang.
May iba naman.
Okay. Alright. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, well, unfortunately, we do not have any balloons left. But before we end the round, syempre, magpapa-face reveal tayo.
Face.
Here's the face reveal of Tin in 3, 2, 1! Ta-da!
Baka may magbago ng isip sa mga...
Mayroon bang mga gusto mag-change ng mind? Anyone?
Anyone, magpapabalik ng balloon? Wala na.
Okay. Alright, unfortunately, wala tayong match for this round. But thank you so much, Tin,
Thank
for
you so
joining
much
us.
for
You're so
coming.
beautiful. And thank you so much sa Oxycare for making Tin even more beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here comes our next sexy,
Sexy single.
Hi! Alright, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Diana and I'm 30 years old.
Okay, and ano naman job mo or what do you do for a living?
So I'm in game marketing. We usually do events like probably the one that you would know would be MPL. Mga ML games.
Oh, okay. Alright, and what do you like to do for fun or anong hobbies mo?
I like going to different events. I like anime, so you would usually see me in anime conventions.
Anime daw.
Hindi. Wala. Sila yung kasali, hindi ako.
And of course, yung events namin na related sa games.
Okay. Ano namang hanap po sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng physical or personality traits?
Actually, ang pinakahanap ko lang sa partner would be somebody funny.
Oh, okay.
And somebody caring.
Alright.
So, yung red flags mo naman, pag nakita mo, ano yung ayaw mo?
So, somebody judgmental and somebody that likes talking about themselves way too much.
Okay.
Ay, mayabang, mga
Medyo,
ganon.
yeah.
Bossy. Yan.
Okay,
Red flag mo din ba?
Hindi, sakto lang yun.
Okay, so right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose
Two
balloons to pop.
Two. Okay. Sorry. Ayaw niya. Ang cute.
Sige, kaya mo yan.
Go.
It's a sign.
Okay. And one more.
So, ayan.
Okay, please. Oh, ba't ka iiyak?
Hi, I'm Jen. I'm 28 years old. I'm a software engineer.
So, bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Feeling ko kasi mabubuli ko siya.
Ganun ba? Bakit? Sa itsura pa lang?
Oo. Parang sobrang soft-spoken niya.
Oh, are you like that?
Yung nabubuli?
Feeling mo mabubuli ka niya?
Feeling ko magpapabuli ako.
Oh,
Submissive, gano'n?
willing naman magpabuli, no?
Okay. And ayaw mo ng gano'n? Gusto mo lumalaban?
Siyempre.
Oh, okay. So you like the tension, the romantic tension. Oh, pero so type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes po, opo. Type ko siya. Matangkad and then into animes. Yeah.
Sayang. Sure ka na talaga? Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Shin Mendoza. I'm a sales and marketing head and I have a startup.
So baka siya napili mo i-pop?
Hindi ko kasi sure kung mahilig ka ba sa anime. Feeling ko, mahilig ka naman.
Mahilig ka ba sa anime?
Lahat ba kayo
Naruto.
Sino dito mahilig sa anime?
Ako!
Oh!
May kamukha akong anime.
Hindi daw mukhang anime, mahilig lang.
Na-judge kita. Mukha kasing seryoso.
Yeah, I'm a serious type but I know how to have fun. Especially with my partner.
Pwede naman pala
I wish I could tell you
magsaya.
more.
Pero with partner daw eh.
With partner.
Oo. So reserved.
Ayaw mo maging partner niya?
Ay, hindi pa naman.
Hindi pa naman.
Kung tayo talon.
Okay.
Quick.
So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So magtanong ka ng isang question to help you narrow down your options.
So, like I said, humor is very important to me. So, pwede ba ako maghingi ng joke from you guys?
Jokes. Nako po.
Top of mind. Ano yung joke na naisip
Bawal
nyo?
copycat, bawal coaching.
Parang pag mas corny, mas nakakatawa, no?
Okay. Pagalingin ng joke.
Joselito, 30 years old, production staff.
Okay. So yung joke mo.
Para mas maganda pang pick up na lang eh.
Sige, pick up line.
Pwede pick up.
Wait lang, nawala din ako.
Gusto mo balikan na lang namin ikaw later. Okay, alright, let's come back.
I'm Kyle, 30 years old, full-time streamer.
And what's your joke?
Pwedeng pick up na lang din. Wala akong maisip na joke eh.
Sige, basta nakakatawa yung pick up.
Floor wax ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ang ganda mo.
Parang hindi siya nag-connect.
Ba? Huh? Nagets mo?
Floor wax ka ba? Kasi ang
ganda mo.
Ganda mo. Ha?
Asa yung floor wax doon?
Dapat may follow-up.
Sorry.
Sabi niya,
Ulit.
May script pala, may script. Okay.
Floor wax ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ang ganda mo.
Asan doon yung floor wax?
Ay, sorry, nadulas.
Nadulas siya sa floor wax.
Okay lang. Okay.
Sige, move on na tayo sa next.
Okay, thank you so much. Next.
Okay, next na muna.
Next. Okay.
My name is John Emiel Mendoza. Ay, wait lang.
Ay, sorry. Okay, may kamayan tayo.
Snacks.
I am 25 years old and I am, ano nga yung sinabi ko kanina? Head chef ako.
Alam, hindi niya alam yung trabaho niya. Nag-iiba.
Nakalimutan.
Alam siya.
Hindi, charot lang. Head chef ako sa Cafeteria de Sariaya sa Quezon. Then, ang joke ko ay, anong isda ang hindi makapal?
Ano?
Di mo ni fish. Tawa ka dali.
Okay na ba yun? Okay, isa pa.
May pick-up line ako sa'yo.
Okay.
Tayo ka ba? Pwede ba yun? Tayo ka ba?
Last time I checked, hindi. Pero bakit?
Gusto kita eh. Yeah.
Pwede ko na ba yung pop?
Nanggigil na siya. Ipopop na agad.
Nakadalawa pa siyang pick-up line. Nakasama pa pala.
Mamaya.
Thank you so much. Kasi naman.
Napasama ka pa tuloy.
I'm Ian, 37, sales manager and health advocate.
And yung joke mo for our sexy single?
Alright. I have sleep disorder called insomnia. Antukin ka ba?
Hindi. Bakit?
Okay lang, baby. Huwag kang magbago. Dito ka lang. Humimbing. Sa aking piling. Antukin.
So yung joke ba doon is yung hindi ka marunong kumanta? Ay!
Oh my God!
Joke lang!
Medyo yun
Ang joke.
Nothing. Thank you so much. Let's move on.
Medyo malalim iniisip na ito. Kanina pa ito nakatingala.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Mark po. 32, I'm a banker po. Actually, yung pick-up line ko, somewhat kasi medyo same kami na naisip ni Sir. Kaya lang, iba lang yung yung answer. So, tayo ka ba?
Hindi, bakit?
Kasi di kita kayang tiisin.
I wish I didn't have that visual in my
Ako din. Salamat.
Salamat na lang daw. Okay, thank you so much.
Parang lahat di kayang tiisin yun eh.
Oo nga eh.
Hi, I'm Paul, 27, purchasing staff. Sang araw, may puno ng mangga, tapos may baka sa gilid. Nung umalog yung puno ng mangga, tumakbo yung baka. Ang tanong, bakit tumakbo yung baka?
Kasi, bakit? Okay.
Kumuha ng bagoong.
Nagutom.
Paki-explain.
So, may
Nagutom yung
tinawag siyang
kalabaw.
baka na tao? Yung tao ba yun? Kumuha
Hindi.
ng bag...
Umalog yung puno ng mangga,
Mangga,
tapos yung baka
minalaglag.
tumakbo.
Oh,
May nalaglag na bunga ng
Kumuha
mangga.
ng bagoong.
Inapakan ng baka yung yung mangga, naging
hindi.
bago.
Hindi.
Nano siya, nahulog siya, nakabukas na, tapos nakahati na. So, bagoong na lang kulang.
Kakainin na ng kalabaw.
Kakainin na lang ng kalabaw.
Salamat. Wait, so explain. Ang ako pa yung explain. Okay.
Medyo pag-isipan
Thank you
talaga.
so much.
Thank you,
And
thank
meron
you.
tayong babalikan na isa. Baka may joke na siya sa atin
Ito
ngayon.
na, meron na. Feeling ko meron na, nakangiti na siya eh.
Meron na to. Okay, ready?
Nameplate ka ba?
Ano na?
Nameplate.
Nameplate.
Okay.
Gusto ko kasing ilagay yung pangalan ko sa'yo.
Ilalagay. approve daw yung isa.
Approve sa kanya. Okay daw. Okay, so based sa mga jokes nila, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Yari ka.
Hawak na lang po.
Oh!
Parehas pa kayo ng joke ah.
Hi! So, bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Kasi yung nag-joke ng tae.
Oh, ayaw mo ang tinatawag kang tae.
Oo.
Oo nga eh, parang may response ka doon.
Wala eh.
Ba't siya tinawag na tae kasi?
Ay, hindi. Ang obvious kasi pag tatawagin siyang maganda, obvious naman.
Thank you.
Mabawi. Sure ka na talaga na?
Sure na tayo.
Okay. Pero type mo naman sana siya.
Pwede po bang super type?
May extra points ba pag super type?
Wala.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Nadamay ka tuloy.
Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, no copy. Okay. So bakit siya yung napili mo isang
Yung nag-joke pa din ng tae.
Okay, so may response ka ba doon?
Wala kasi ako maisip na yung impromptu na...
Baka may iba ka pang joke dyan na baon. Wala na.
No, pambawi.
Wala akong prepared eh.
Okay.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2,
and 3, 4.
4 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question para malaman mo kung sino medyo ka-vibe mo.
Okay, so I've mentioned na I like going to anime conventions. So what is the most recent anime you've watched?
Solo Leveling. At saka yung Solo Leveling season 2 at saka yung Cooking Campfire with Another World yan.
Thank you so
Campfire.
much. Anong anime daw?
Cooking Campfire in Another World.
Ano una?
Solo Leveling.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, and over here.
Pwede yung nirewatch ko kasi. So, siya yung...
Recently lang
Boko daki
namin
kayo ni Machi.
Batang 90s ako eh. So talagang hindi ko pinagpapalitan Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z.
Classic.
Slam Dunk.
Slam
Nirewatch
Dunk
ko
na
lang ulit. Yung nirewatch ko lang ulit yung
nirewatch mo
Tagalog
lang.
dub.
Pero before that, ano pa?
Dragon Ball and yung One Punch Man.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Okay. So, hi. Hello.
Nako. Nadaan sa 90s.
Ayaw mo
Nadaan
sa classic
90s
animes?
Classic animes.
Okay. Alright. So, bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
So, batang 90s din naman ako. Pero
Okay.
kasi hindi ako mahilig sa shonen or na ganong anime. So, I don't think you would be able to talk about that.
Do you have any response to that?
Actually, ako kasi loyal ako when it comes sa ganon. So talagang hindi ko pagpapalit yan, no matter what. But thank you na pagbigyan mo ako kanina kumanta, hindi mo na-pop.
And loyal ka din sa ibang bagay.
Of course, definitely.
Set ka na doon?
Set na ako doon.
Okay, and over here. So, bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
So, yun nga. Similar naman na reasoning. I don't like shonen animes, so I don't think you would be able to talk about that.
So guys, bawal
You have any
copycat.
Do you have any response to that?
Tama naman siya. Medyo hindi rin kasi ako hook up sa mga anime. So yung mga common lang talaga yung napapanood ko.
Pero type mo naman pa sana siya.
She seems nice naman po.
Thank you. I seem nice after bullying some guys.
Na lang.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, so we still have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out if you're a good match for them.
Okay.
Tanong ko lang, saan ka nakatira dito? Manila ka rin ba? Or ano?
Yes.
Sige. Okay. Okay lang ba sa'yo if, kumbaga, in provincial ako, then sa Manila ka, okay lang ba sa'yo na ganun yung setup?
LDR.
Saan province ka ba?
Batangas.
Malapit lang, 3 hours, sinabayaan lang.
Hindi, okay lang ba? Pero hindi naman siya totally, hindi naman totally malayo. Kumbaga, hindi naman on daily basis na makikita. Kumbaga, once, probably mga twice in a month, ganun. Kasi nga, sa nature ng work ko, ganun. Yun lang yung tanong.
So, hindi. In a sense na, lagi kasi napupunin yung schedule ko. So, ang susundan mo would be my schedule.
Okay.
Okay ka ba doon?
Okay na.
Hindi ka mag-adjust kahit konti para...
Kasi straight ako sa work ng umaga, 8 days. Then, minsan nag-overtime. Kaya hindi ko alam kung paano ko yung... Alam yun na.
So, do you think mahirapan ka sa ganong setup?
Siguro, mga ganun.
Okay, let's see later.
Anong music taste mo?
Music taste?
Wala akong specific na sinusundan. So, anything from animes that I like to anything mainstream or anything my friends recommend naman.
Yun lang po.
Yun lang? Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so since wala sa kanilang dalawang nag-pop, the choice is yours. I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
In-offer na niya eh.
Oh, okay. Okay, so bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
So, scheduling conflict.
Yun lang. Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman. Hindi ako rin naman kasi work din yun, work-related din.
Yes.
Pero kung hindi ganun yung setup, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Okay naman. I think we can talk about a lot of things.
Okay, sayang. Kapag okay na yung work schedule mo, hit up mo siya sa IG or something. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So since we have 1 balloon left, please join us over here. Okay. So, meron pa ba kayong mga final questions for each other? How about from your end?
You mentioned you stream. What games do you stream?
Dota, CS2, and Valorant. GTA din pala.
Hindi ka nag-ML? ML daw yung inaano niya.
Hindi, I mean, actually...
Pero nag-work ako sa MPL.
You did? Baka nakita na tayo. Sorry.
Nag-catch up pala.
Nag-catch up na.
Baka.
Shoutout sa Mineski.
Mineski.
Same talaga na world. Okay, baka meant to be. Okay, wait lang. How about you? Meron ka pa bang question para sa kanya?
Wala na po.
Okay, so, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure na.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure naman. Dito na lang tayo sa office.
Alright, but since we have a special Oxycare episode today, magpa-face reveal muna tayo. Alright, here's Diana's face reveal in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Thank you, Oxycare PH. As you can see, very, very beautiful pa rin. Okay, so right now, I'm gonna ask you guys once again, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Okay. And sure ka pa rin ba sa kanya?
May tanong lang ako.
Ayun may habon.
Taga Manila ka ba talaga?
Bakit? Oo.
Kasi parang taga-heaven kasi cause you look like an angel.
Ayun
May pahabol.
Pwedeng I change my mind.
Oh my God.
Ganyan ako ng toothpick.
Mamaya mag-pop pa daw ulit. Change mind daw siya.
Humirit ka pa.
Buti na lang wala na siya.
Humirit ka pa isa.
Yung bata mo mahina.
So sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes, sure na.
Okay! We have a pusuan match!
Match na tayo ngayon.
Alright, so please take each other's hand and go up into your happily ever after.
Okay.
Nag-shake hands.
Holding hands naman.
Yeah.
Thank you! Congratulations!
Go, Bandol!
Muntikan pa dun sa pick-up line eh. Alright, here comes our next sexy single!
Hi guys!
Please join us over here.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared. Alright, so what's your name? How old are you?
My name is Julie. I'm 26 and I'm in sales. not a VA, not in BPO, directly in US. Because most of the time, yun yung ina-ask nila.
So disclaimer lang.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
My hobbies is I really like going to gym.
Okay.
Nag-gym ako. I do boxing as well. Muay Thai.
Wow.
Also, pag walang work or hindi ako nag-gym, tutulog sa bahay. Watching movies.
Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality, physical traits?
Okay. Physical, siguro, mas matangkad sa akin.
Okay.
Yeah. And when it comes dun sa attitude, I guess, hindi rude sa mga tao. And at the same time, very family-oriented.
All right.
Sabi niya na yung red flag doon.
Okay, so tuloy-tuloy na.
Tuloy-tuloy na tayo.
Okay, so let's get down to business. Okay, so right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Okay, guys. No personalan, ha?
Okay.
Sorry.
Disclaimer lang daw ulit.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer. Daming disclaimer.
Okay. Sorry.
Hindi daw meant to be. Okay, and one more?
Isa pa.
Yes,
One
sige.
more. Yung ready makipag-boxing sa'yo.
All right, let's start over here.
Joselito, 30 years old, production staff.
So bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
For me, siguro preference. Like, we have our own preference. I think he's really look good. Pero siguro, nava-vibe ko na hindi tayo vibe. That's it.
So physical preference, you mean? Okay. Meron bang anything specific sa kanya na nag-push sa'yo na mag-pop ng balloon?
Siguro, it's on me. Na parang feeling ko, he's a soft guy. Like, alam mo yon parang, like, papayagan ka niya.
Hindi mo pwedeng boxingin, no?
Oo. So, kasi ako,
Nag-boxing
I'm
kasi
really
siya.
looking for a masculine. I'm really looking for a masculine guy na parang someone can lead me, can guide me, ganon.
Agree ka ba doon na medyo more on soft guy ka ba?
Hindi naman. Kasi batak din ako sa ano namin sa bahay. Tsaka probinsya kasi nga, usually nagdudukal ako ng lupa, tatanim. Ayan.
Oh, that's nice.
So lalaban ka naman kung binoxing ka niya.
Hindi ako,
Parang trap no? Parang trick question.
hindi ako lalaban kasi syempre babae siya.
Ito yung punching bag. Ready ka doon, no?
Pero pwede ko naman i-defend sarili ko.
Yun na.
Pero sure ka na doon?
Yes, sure na.
Pero type mo naman sana siya.
Thank
Type
you
ko siya
so
kasi
much.
chinito siya. Magkasingkit siya.
Maybe sa next life.
Next
Okay, well, thank you so much.
I'm Ian, 37 and sales
37.
manager.
Okay.
So, ba't siya napili mo i-pop?
Siguro, same vibe. Then at the same time, nakikita ko na he's matured naman, but way matured. So parang siguro matured, pero at least level.
Okay. Mas gusto mo mas mature than what
At
you're
least
seeing
yun yung
right now.
sinasabing daddy looking, no?
Okay. May response ka ba doon? Agree ka ba sa sinasabi niya? In terms of like sa maturity, ganon?
I guess, napipil ko. Tsaka, we have almost the same, kasi, sales manager, nasa sa sales din siya. So, yes.
So ayaw mo ng ganon?
Yeah.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Hindi.
Bakit?
Siguro, napipil ko lang na parang, paano ba explain? Walang personalan.
Yeah,
but,
it's fine, no worries.
parang siguro, magka-clash kami. Almost nasa same kami, same, same industry. So, baka when it comes to that, kaya yun, naunahan lang ako.
Hindi dahil sa facial mud,
Oo nga
Hindi doon.
She's beautiful. Unfortunately,
Kahit meron ito.
Napifeel kasi yun ng mga sales nasa market.
Okay.
Ganun pala yun. So pag same industry, medyo baka
may feelings pala na ganun.
Yeah.
may tendency na mag-clash.
Yeah.
Ganun. Okay. Alright, well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, we still have
So ba?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question para malaman natin kung sino medyo ka-vibe mo.
Okay. Maybe my first question is, what's your thoughts about if yung potential partner nyo is dumaan siya sa whole face?
Ha?
Whole face. Like
Whole
bubus,
face.
hookups.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whole face.
Whole face.
H-O.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jen. I'm 28 years old. Isa akong software engineer. I love the girl who she is. Hindi problema sa akin kung ano yung past niya, kahit may anak na siya actually. Kasi one of my life goal talaga sa buhay ko is to adopt a child talaga. Kahit, yun nga. So, if ever na meron siyang whole face, siguro titignan ko kung ganun pa rin ba siya for now. kung whole face pa rin. Kung kasama ba ako dun sa whole face na yun, baka naman kasama ako dun eh. So ayun. Nagmamatter dun sa present, but the past is past. So, wala na sa akin yun.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Shin Mendoza. I'm a sales and marketing head and I have a startup.
Okay.
And yung answer mo sa question niya?
What I think dun sa whole face ng mga babae. Well, women have their choices. And I respect that. And personally, for a man of value kasi, you're gonna look really dun sa past ng girl. And for a man, yung girl din naman, tumitingin dun sa future ng man. So, basically for us, really important yung decency sa babae. Yan.
Okay.
Right.
I respect that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much.
My name is Emil. Shake hands muna.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Style nito no?
Bilis.
My name is Emil. I'm 25 years old. I'm a head chef, then part-time vlogger. Yan. Ako kasi nagkaroon ako ng ex na nagkaroon ng whole face. Para sa akin kasi, wala namang problema siya sa akin. Kasi naiintindihan ko siya. Kasi may mga bagay kasi siyang pinagdadaanan dati. Kaya niya nagawa yung bagay na yun. Kaya lang naman kami nagkahiwalay. Gawa kasi ng hindi ako nakapagbigay ng time sa kanya. Kasi masinuna ko muna yung sarili ko. Parang mas gusto ko kasi alam niyo yun, sa community kasi natin ngayon, kahit naman anong gawin natin kahit gumawa tayo ng masama, gumawa tayo mabuti, lahat naman ng mga tao may masasabi sa'yo. Kaya kung ano man yung mga pinagdaanan mo nun, sabi nga nung si number 1, past is past. Di ba?
Hello, I'm Mark, 32. I'm a banker po. Then, to answer her question, so we have our own struggle naman before. So, baka may reason siya behind that. And your past naman doesn't define who you are today and who you will become tomorrow. As long as responsible enough ka na ngayon, tsaka you learn from that mistake, yun ang importante. Yung learnings mo from that yung that phase na in the future maayos natin or ng partner mo.
Okay.
Ayan po.
Hi, I'm Paul, 27, purchasing staff. To answer your question, hindi naman kita i-judge kung ano man yung nakaraan mo. And what I'm looking forward kasi talaga is the future. Okay. And I believe na kapag ang isang tao naman ay nagbago na, na kay Lord na,
ibang na kay Lord
tinalikuran niya na yung yung mga nakaraan niya. Well, sabi nga sa Bible, if anyone is in Christ, he is or she is a new creation. So, doon na tayo sa future. Okay. And siguro lang ako ng konting background checking kung ginagawa mo po ba yan or you still have communication doon sa Okay. Pero as long as na make sure ko naman na you have established na yung principles mo and values mo sa buhay, and then we're good to go na.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Okay. 1.
Okay, and 1 more?
2.
Okay. So bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Actually, very reasonable to. We have the same last name.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ayaw mo nun? Parang kinasal na agad kayo.
Kasal na agad wala pa nga first date.
Yeah.
Mahirap yun, hindi malalaman, nakasal tayo.
No, diba? So, good thing sinabi niya yung last name.
Pag-isipan ba ng mga tao within the same clan ba to?
For me, siguro, may mga taong na parang magiging curious sila about that.
Okay.
So, parang mahirap siya explain.
Baka
so, I don't know how to explain.
Baka isipin magpinsan.
Diba? That's the reason.
Do you feel the same way?
Fair enough. Yeah.
Okay. Pero ikaw, okay lang ba sa'yo na same last name kayo if ever?
I don't mind. Kung yung partner ko naman is talaga nag-connect kami, why not, di ba? At least di ka na mahirapan mag-adjust.
Oo nga.
Oo nga, wala nang
Madaling
Isa-search nyo ba yun? Kung talagang connected kayo or hindi? Okay, pero type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah.
With
But I'm not seeing a long-term relationship with her. But she's nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. What makes you say that?
Just the vibe siguro. Again, the vibe.
Okay.
I'm looking for a very specific vibe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi. So, ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Hinawakan daw yung kamay agad.
Yung age niya.
Hinawakan yung kamay. Yung age.
Nakita basa yung kamay.
Ano bang age difference
He's
ninyo?
25, right? I'm 26 and I'm turning 27.
Oh, 1 year lang naman halos or
Wala,
2?
ano gusto ko like much older than me talaga.
Okay. Dahil ba sa, is it like maturity level or specific lang talaga sa yung age?
Oo, age.
How about you? Does that bother you pag older slightly yung girl? Like 1 year, 2 years?
Hindi. Kasi, mas prefer ko kasi mga mas older kasi sa akin.
Oh.
Talaga? Bakit?
Kasi, may pagka-alpha female sila.
Oh, I'm a feminine.
Feminine
Submissive,
ka.
yeah.
Okay. Submissive ka din.
Yeah. Kadin,
okay.
you too?
Hindi po ako nagpapa-baby in private. Maangas po ako pero hindi po ako nagpapa-baby.
Okay.
And reasonable din kasi Mendoza din ako.
Oh!
Daming Mendoza dito.
Di ba? Very kalat.
Okay, pero so type mo naman ba sana siya or?
Type ko naman po sana siya. Kaso,
Thank you.
Di ka daw type.
So cute. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So magtanong ka ng isa pang question to help you narrow down your options.
Sige, my next question would be, aside sa coffee date, saan mo ako dadalhin on a first date? Kasi coffee date is very common
specific na.
So,
Walang
aside
kopyahan.
Okay. Alright.
Ang pinaka-ideal na date kasi sa akin talaga is more on physical activities like bowling, billiards, basketball. Pwede din naman na yung mga bouncing, yung tawag doon? Trampolines, yes. Yung room mismo na puro trampoline. I think doon kita dadalhin. And if I have much more money, gusto ko sanang magla Union tayo or Baguio for a first date.
Wow, for a first date?
Yes, for a first date.
Paano yun? Ang tagal ng travel time nyo. Okay lang yun?
Maglalakad.
Sige, good luck na lang. Okay, thank you.
Para daw dun sa
meron ka pa ba dyan or okay ka na?
I think yun lang, but I would love to hear your thoughts din kung ano yung gusto mo na first date natin.
Alright, let's answer
Para daw
that
sa
later
biyahe,
on.
makapag-usap sila. Kaya Baguio.
pag hindi nag-work out, tapos pabalik.
Ayun lang. Bahala ka dyan.
Biglang mag-grab ka
Bahala ka
galing
dyan.
Baguio.
Una na ako.
La Union. Okay, thank you so much.
I will consider your preference also. But if I were to choose, yun nga, I'm into nature kasi. So, something like, kunwari sa mountain or beach or kaya simple picnic na merong ano. Kasi, I feel like parang mas maganda mag-getting to know with the support of nature.
Pwede naman tayo mag physical activities. So, kasi nag-gym din ako kahit paano. 3 times a week.
Ready siya maging punching
Pero
bag.
first date, so wag muna siguro yun. Pwede siguro mag-bowling muna tayo. Or sa arcade, pwede din dun kasi meron dun mga test ng yung sino malakas sa atin sumagpang.
Okay. Paano kung mas malakas pala siya?
Baong.
Iniwan ulit sa barcade.
I think ayun muna sa mall kasi marami tayong pwedeng gawin.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Just one.
Yes.
Just
Okay. Based on your answer, guys, I guess...
Lumampas.
May U-turn.
Akala ko doon sa dulo eh.
May U-turn. Okay. So, ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Nung sinabi niyo ng mountains, I'm not the type of person na umaakyat ng mountains. Though nag-gym ako, yeah, pero I hate it. I tried it before and it's not my cup of tea.
So, no hiking for you?
Yeah, no hiking.
Okay. Give me your response to that.
I-consider ko naman yung preference niya. Pero okay lang kung hindi niya trip yung...
Uy, consider naman daw pala yung preference mo.
Pero final ka na
Yeah,
ba?
final
na.
Okay, so since we have 2 balloons left, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to figure out kung match ba kayo or not.
Okay.
During sa lakad natin pala Union, ano yung pinaka-the best na gusto mong ikwento?
Siguro yung pinaka-the best na pwede kong ikwento sa'yo is about my family background. Kasi I'm a daddy's girl. So, very family-oriented ako. Though hindi ako lumaki sa isang marangyang buhay, but I can say na yung parents ko, pinalaki nila ako na parang hindi nila ako inuutusan maghugas ng pinggan, maglaba. Kasi ngayon, bumukod na ako. So, ngayong naging independent na ako, doon pa lang ako nag-i-start na matuto. So, yun yung pwede ko i-share sa'yo. Na I have a very, very good parents, family, yeah.
Ang dami nga nila dito Mendoza clan.
Halata naman
Do you have any
panel.
follow-up or are you good?
I'm good.
Okay.
In choosing your partner, ano mas prefer mo? Someone who has the same personality or yung total opposite?
Siguro for me, I can go to total opposite. Kasi kapag ka-opposite kayo, feeling ko, matututo ka dun sa taong yon. Kasi may mga bagay na hindi mo siya ginagawa, pero ginagawa ng partner mo na, if it's in the future, malay natin, matutunan mo din magustuhan, di ba? Unlike sa opposite, though na-try ko na siya, I mean, same kami. Siguro may times na talagang nagka-clash kami.
Masyadong similar kasi.
Yeah. So, yan.
Okay. Do you have any follow-up?
Actually, gusto ko yung sagot niya kasi gusto ko rin yung opposite kasi kapag opposite kayo, na pupunan nyo yung pagkukulang ng bawat isa.
Okay. Yeah.
So you complete each other. Okay. All right. So, since wala pa sa kanilang dalawa nag-pop, the floor is yours. Ikaw ang mamimili. I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop.
Okay. Guys, this is very hard. Especially nung kanina pa lang na nagpa-pop na ako ng balloon. Because they look very nice talaga. But I guess I will choose this person to pop.
Sakit? Okay, so bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Pwede bang may comparison?
Pwede.
Okay. Siguro, the reason why siya yung chinus ko na i-pop yung balloon, kasi nakikita ko na mas compatible kami nung isa.
Oh.
And you really look good. Compare naman sa face ko ngayon, di ba? You really look good. Siguro, maybe next life lang din. And I really like your answers, to be honest. Siguro kung wala siya, baka ikaw yung pinili ko.
Kasalanan mo pala. Do you have any response to that?
Second option lang pala.
Oh.
I like her din naman. Yun nga, daddy's girl. I like din na family-oriented dahil nga
Okay lang sa'yo, hindi nagugas ng pinggan, hindi naglalaba.
Okay lang naman magugas. Sabi ko nga, submissive naman din ako, but I like din naman na mag-submit din. Basta ganun.
Makaka sa labas, pa-baby sa loob.
Parang ganun. Ayan.
Okay, so set na tayo dito?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Woo! Woo! Okay, so before we proceed, meron pa ba kayong mga final questions for each other? How about from your end?
Yeah, I have final question. What do you expect from a relationship?
Expectations apart. So, hindi ko naman tataasan yung expectation ko na. So, siguro malalaman natin after first date, pag-uusapan natin yung mga bagay. If hindi talaga tayo mag-click, so hanggang doon na lang yun. Di naman ganun kataas expectation ko. Yung mga basic lang, someone who can be trusted. Ayun, tsaka yung understanding. So, if you can give naman yun, edi, go na lang.
Okay. How about from your end? Meron ka pa bang tanong?
Same din. Anong expectation?
My expectation sa isang relationship, siguro, nasabi ko na din kanina, I'm looking for someone na matured enough to handle relationship. Because ayoko kasi personally na ako yung mag-handle dun sa lalaki. So I'm submissive, I'm feminine. Pero pag nakikita ko na parang, okay, medyo tagilid na yung mga decisions mo, doon ako papasok na maybe this one is better, maybe this one is good. So yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, so kung wala na kayong mga final questions for each other, I'm gonna ask you now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Okay.
Let's give it a shot.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure po.
Woo!
Okay, but before that, let's do a face reveal for our sexy single. Here's the face reveal for Julian. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yes! Gandang oxycure.
Hindi na siya naisig.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys again. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Okay! And sure ka pa rin ba sa kanya?
Sure na.
You know?
Yay! We have a pusuan match! Alright, so please take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Thank you! All right, here comes our next
Sexy Single!
Hi! Please join us over here. Hi, so what's your name and how old are you?
So my name is Vanessa and I am 27 years old.
Okay, and what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
So I am an allied health professional.
All right. Ano namang hobbies mo? Or what do you like to do for fun?
I do like to cook, to bake. I do run. Sometimes I walk. So I love going to the beaches but I do not like to hike.
Okay.
Na-advise na sa inyo yan, guys, ha?
Okay, so wala magsasabi ng hiking dito, ha? Oh, okay.
May nauna na, may
Someone
nauna na.
really loves to hike in this lineup. Okay, at least ngayon pa lang alam na natin.
Yeah.
Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Actually, what I value the most is emotional intelligence. So someone who knows how to express themselves. How to communicate. That's what I value the most. To follow na lang everything, the physical appearance, the looks.
So wala namang specific sa physical?
Wala naman.
So yung red flags mo naman, yun, like yung pag unang nakita mo, ayaw mo na.
Actually, wala naman.
Hiking lang.
As much as possible,
Wala?
I try to understand someone kasi. Kasi it's my line of work.
Alright.
So I try to understand them.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so right now may isang nag-pop sa ating lineup. So let's go over there and find out kung bakit.
I'm Mark, 32. I'm a banker po.
Okay, so ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
So, ayun, yung sa hike kasi. So, actually before, hindi rin ako nag-hike kasi ayoko, nakakapagod or what. And then, natatry ko na siya. Tapos, iba kasi yung feeling kapag nasa top ka ng mountain. Iba yung, basta ma-appreciate mo yung everything. Tapos, parang nakakawala siya ng stress. So, yun yung parang isang stress reliever ko eh. So, yun po.
So, naghahanap ka ng partner na makakasama mo sa hiking activities?
Somewhat, ganun din po. So, para same kami ng trip din. Ayan po.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
Wala naman.
Does
So
it
I
matter
think
to
what
you?
he's looking for is a common ground.
Oo. Okay. So, hindi ba pwedeng like, kasama mo na lang friends mo sa hiking and then ibang activities kayong dalawa?
Beach daw.
Well, pwede
Nature pa
naman.
rin.
Ipakilala niya yung hiking sa akin.
Okay lang po. Kung willing siyang, ano.
Are you willing?
Yeah, of course
Do you
naman.
wanna get your balloon back or set ka na ba?
Hindi, okay lang po ako.
Okay ka na.
Okay.
Alright. Third type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, he looks good. Yeah, the way he smiles is it's good.
Nahiya, oh.
Nahiya.
Kinilig, oh.
Kinilig.
Oh my God, okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So, ikaw naman ang papapiliin ko just based on what you're seeing right now. Just one balloon to pop since nag-pop na siya.
One balloon.
One balloon.
Just based on
that's hard.
physical or overall vibe.
Feelings.
Uh-oh.
Okay, wait. I'm so sorry.
Okay, let's go over here.
I'm Ian, sales manager 27. At 37, sorry.
Napadoubt sa age. 37. Okay. Alright, so ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
I'm the age. So I therefore concluded that in age, medyo
without
malayo
knowing his
na agad.
age yet?
Yeah.
Nakita mo lang sa itsura niya?
Yeah, by the looks of him.
Oh, okay. Ikaw ba, nag-matter sa'yo yung age niya?
Yes, actually. I like medyo mas malapit sa age ko. So, tama yun.
Tama.
Mga 2 years older or younger ng konti.
If not for the age, type mo ba sana siya?
Oo, kasi para siyang si Maria Clara eh.
Yung outfit ba?
Para kaming babalik sana. Ang tanong ko sana kung bibigyan kami ng pagkakataon na bumalik sa nakaraan, sasamahan niya ba ako sa mundo ng kasaysayan?
You know?
Like in
You
Noli
know?
Me Tangere. Something like that.
Anong sagot mo doon, Maria Clara?
Sige, pwede naman.
Do you still want to give his balloon back or no?
I know it's okay.
Okay. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3,
and
4 balloons left. So, magtanong ko na isang question to help you find out kung sino medyong ka-vibe mo.
Okay, so I do have one question. My question would be, how do you feel about women having full-time career in a relationship, or women that's still pursuing their career?
All right.
Hi, I'm Genesis, 28 years old. I am a software engineer. Ayan, so to answer your question, yes, a resounding yes. Gustong-gusto ko talaga nakita na yung partner ko, specifically, ay may success siya dun sa career na gusto niya. Meron siyang, yung pinupurso niyang dreams ay natutupad niya. Yun yung pinakagusto ko talaga na makita sa isang partner. If anything else, syempre gusto ko din na sabay kami. But if siya mauuna, mas gusto ko yun.
Joselito, 30, production staff. Wala na, siguro, anuin ko yung kanyang career. Ano ko yung career niya na mag-growth siya. Yun naman ang gusto kong mangyari din sa potential partner ko.
So very supportive naman.
Yes, supportive naman.
Hi, I'm Shin Mendoza. I'm a sales and marketing head, and I have a startup. To answer your question, I really like it actually. At our age, 30, 27, no, you really have to work on your career. And I'm the guy who supports my partner on that. Kasi ako, I'm very busy na din. And I want someone na naintindihan yung pinanggagalingan ko. And same as you, no, you need someone na maintindihan ka. And so that's how relationship works.
Hi, once again.
Bilis
My name is John Emiel Mendoza, 25 years old. I'm a head chef ng isang cafeteria dito sa Sariaya. Then I'm a vlogger din. For me, 100% go ako diyan. Kasi as for myself, I'm a full-time vlogger. Yung trabaho nga, nagiging part-time na lang sa akin eh. Kasi, sabi mo, mahilig ka magluto, mag-bake, ganyan. Sa arsenal ko kasi puro cooking lang ako eh. Gusto kong may mga bagay kang ituro sa yung mga baking, ganyan. Then sabi mo, mahilig ka fun run, tama? Mga ganun. Gusto ko din siya i-try. Kasi more on more on hiking, ganyan. Then, mahilig din ako magdagat, mag-nature trip, ganun. Yan lang.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
To pop.
Yes.
Last 2.
Hala, that's hard.
Go.
I'm
Gut
sorry.
feel. And isa pa?
Kaya mo yan.
Go. Oh, okay. Okay, so batch na yung isang napili mong ipop?
I think I'm just looking for context, like full na context on why do you want to support me, as sometimes kasi career can face so many challenges, demands. So, hindi ko lang siya narinig.
Do you want to defend yourself?
No. Good na ako.
Okay ka na. Ayaw ko mag-try man lang.
Napagod na daw siya.
Sentence lang.
Hindi, wala.
Nag-fold agad.
Suko na ako. Parang ganun, suko na ako.
Ayaw mo na. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, and over here, hi. So, bakit siya yung isa pang napili mo ipop?
Actually, it's very hard. Kasi 2 lang naman eh. So, I mean, it's 2. So, hindi ko talaga siya ipapop dapat.
Okay.
Since we vibe with the cooking, the baking, the run.
Nice shake hands.
That's +1.
Help.
Yes.
Plus points.
I had to choose. So,
Compared to the
other two, maybe mas nag-weigh in ako doon sa answer kasi nila.
Yes. May response ka ba or meron ka pang gustong idagdag para makatulong?
Para sa akin kasi type ko talaga siya eh. Kaya,
you know?
Thank you.
Then, kasi, yung parang namin, vibration namin, parang magkatono.
The wavelength.
Yun lang.
So, it's the chemistry.
Nagko-connect yan.
Final ka na dun?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much.
May next time pa, bro.
Oh, next time. Okay, so we still have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to find out if you're a good match for them.
Okay.
Hi, since natanong mo naman, or na itopic naman natin yung tungkol sa dreams, what is your dream ba na gusto mong i-pursue na kahit may partner ka, gusto mo siyang kunin?
Okay, so my dream as of now is to become a lawyer. So that's why I'm asking, what is your point of view in women na nagpo-pursue pa rin ng kanilang career. So my lifelong dream is to become a lawyer. So now I'm in the process of fulfilling the dream to become a lawyer.
You have any follow-up?
Yes. If yung partner mo yung nakagawa ng crime, siyempre lawyer ka, would you be willing na mag-pro bono sa kanya or gusto mo magpabayad kasi nga malay mo, diba?
Discount pala yung kailangan. May balak ka na agad.
Bakit may nagawa ka na bang mali?
Teka.
May balak pa lang daw.
May kaso ka ba?
Alam mo naman.
Baka may kaso ka.
Para Para ma-fulfill mo yung dream mo, syempre, di ba?
Okay. Ikaw ito yung pagpapracticean. Ganon.
I think to answer your question, I would be forwarding it to someone who's capable to make a decision. Kasi in other terms, kasi I would weigh on emotional.
May bias kasi.
Yes, so may bias. So I would transfer you to another person who can handle your case.
Tsaka pag kayo naman yung pera, sa kanya naman talaga.
Oo, mananalo rin naman tayo.
Wala ka ng choice.
Pero supportive ka naman dun kahit may gawin siyang crime.
I think, it's a 3-person point of view,
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much.
Nice.
Okay,
Nice.
and over here, anong question mo for our sexy single?
Hi. Actually, my bro here did me a favor. Same question. But I'm gonna bank in more on that. Dun sa, you want to be a lawyer. I know na you like beach. I like beach. Ayaw mo ng bundok. Ayaw ko na rin ng bundok. Nagpulag ako. Ayaw ko na umulit. But since we're both busy, in our career, are you open, since I'm 30, you're 27, you're open to have a family? Let's not
agad-agad.
Not necessarily agad-agad or ready ka agad. Eventually, are you open to that?
Your plans.
Yes, I do have plans for marriage and family before. But I think some circumstances happened. So right now, I'm trying to fulfill some for myself naman. So in the future, if the maging lawyer, then I would be open.
What's your
sa
pre-law?
Sorry?
Yung tinake mong
No, I'm a physical therapist.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice. Very nice.
So under medicine ako, then jump to law.
Galing ka.
Any follow-up or you're good?
She has a nice smile.
Ay, thank you.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so since wala sa kanilang dalawa nag-pop, the floor is yours.
Ayan na.
Like you to choose
Pahihirapan na naman siya.
one balloon.
May having a hard time pala mag-decide.
Ganun yun talaga.
Hindi pala to pwede.
Go, attorney.
Maganda yung sagot nila parehas
Oo nga eh. I'm so sorry. Okay. I think I would go with this one.
Pero
But parang ikaw din na-shock. Okay, I'll get back to you later. Hi. So, ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Hindi naman talaga. I had to choose lang. So, medyo nag-weigh in lang din ulit ako sa answers with the planning of marriage kasi I have been there.
Okay.
And the children. So, right now, I'm trying to focus on what I want muna. I want to prosper with my career as of now. So, I'm trying to weigh in the relationship and career, di ba? So,
You
the
have any
long-term
response?
plans.
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, you should focus on that. At least we save time. Kasi we ask the right question para we won't waste our time.
Yes.
tama.
Pero type mo naman sana siya.
Yeah, she has a nice smile. Ang ganda ng ilong niya kahit may cover.
Kahit may face mat pa.
Kahit may execute.
And sure ka na talaga dito.
What
Yes.
more pa pag wala na yan, di ba? Pag na-face reveal na natin yan.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank
okay,
you,
since we
thank
have
you.
one balloon left, please join us over here. So before we proceed, do you have any final questions for each other? How about from your end?
Wala naman.
Wala naman na. How about from you?
Sure ka na ba? Joke.
Wait lang, ako yung magtatanong nun.
Ang tanong, sure ka ba sa akin?
Excited?
Hindi, wala naman akong question, but yes, may lawyer na.
Grabe. Kung gumawa. Yung pala goal niya, no? Love life plus lawyer.
Parang may plano kang masama in
Oo
near
nga.
future.
Sure ka na talaga dito, ha? Okay, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Yes.
po.
Yes.
And sure ka na sa kanya?
Yes.
Yun, no? Woo!
Alright, but before that, let's do a face reveal to find out kung talagang sure na ba talaga sila sa isa't isa. Alright. Here's the face reveal for Vanessa in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Hey, Maria Clara, is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys one more time. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Okay. And
Yun.
sure ka pa rin ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Siyempre, attorney yan eh.
Very pusuan match! Alright, so please take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Congratulations! And that that has been our show. But before we go, do you have anything to promote?
So, you can follow me guys on Facebook or TikTok. Just search Errol Clemente. So, thank you guys from having me here sa
Thank you so much for joining us today. And thank you din syempre sa ating sponsor for today's episode, Oxycure PH. Alright, I'm Mary Nor.
And I'm A, your solo leveling guy.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more
Pusuan or Laruan!